it.
Dad, don't forget the lid.
Thanks, Izzy. I almost did it again. Back in the blender. 4 super fresh Blackberry Smoothies.
Thanks, Shane.
Thanks, Shane.
Oh, this is lovely and fruity. How did you get on with your homework, Izzy?
It's all done. I got the robin, the squirrel, the blackbird, and I found a hedgehog.
Wow, we spent ages looking and we couldn't find one anywhere.
That's fantastic, Izzy.
I wouldn't have found it without Dad. He's a master wildlife spotter, as well as a whiz with the blender.
Thanks, Izzy. Well, what do you think?
Delicious, Shane. Jay. Honey. Sid?
What?
Oh, Bee.
Thanks for your feedback, Bee.